Crossing, Animal Crossing, Animal Crossing, Animal Crossing. I'm here with more Animal Crossing. I'm sorry. I'm excited because it's been a couple of days, and well, the service building was closed yesterday because it's getting its upgrade, and I'm excited to see it. Also, I'm gonna just let it load. But Egbert moved in. And oh my goodness. He's so sad. I don't hate him. I wasn't gasping at Egbert. I'm gasping at this. Oh my goodness. I'm sure you can all guess what I'm going to tell you next. Yes. Oh, look at the bulletin board. Has little flower pins. Oh my goodness. Went to our island staff. Ah! Yes, please! Oh my god! The bells! Made her faint. Kidding. Yes! Please, Isabel! For occasional seasonal events, too! I believe that wraps up all the announcements for today. Except for one final thing. This was my very last broadcast? Aww. Okay. I'm okay with that. Share all the latest updates with you. Yes. I will definitely be stopping by. Oh, cool. A free Nick Miles ticket. I'll take that. Oh. Oh shoot, how big is that? I rescued Gulliver yesterday, and he gave me a pyramid. Holy crap. No idea where that's going. Oh! Okay, so my room's a little different. I also updated... Wait, where's the button? Of course I'm facing the wrong way. I'll just go next to the picture so you can see what it is. I made like a sheep from my phone. That was adorable. I could share that if anyone wants, whenever I'm able to. So I have like, I don't know, reading, clothes area, my little living area. So I could show you. And like, workshop, and then QR codes and nice things. And then I got an expansion, and like, it seems the villagers are like, make it a kitchen, and all that, in letters. And it's like, I was thinking making a kitchen, but to be honest, I didn't have very many kitchen stuff, but I had a lot of bathroom stuff. So it's a bathroom. Oh, my friend gave me an ironing board. So it shall go there. Oh, and in case you're wondering what I'm wearing, share this. Instead of feeling people are gonna want me to make more. Here is a a Lobos hoodie I made. And I'm so happy with it. It's so cute. I can't wait for him to move into my town and like wonder why I'm wearing something that looks like him. And he's probably gonna think that I'm gonna want to skin him. I don't. Don't worry. I love you, Lobo. I love you, Lobo. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys Egbert. Because oh my goodness. Have you ever felt so bad for a character that you just can't hate them? Oh. Okay, now I really feel bad. Because, well, that spot used to belong to his TV. What the frick? Now it's a workshop? Oh! One of the bugs in the floor whispered the DIY instructions in my ear. What the frick? frick? He's always so sad. Oh my goodness. Egbert, yes. So like now I feel so bad for him that I love him. Oh, that's kind of cool. Might make that later. If you hear any noises, it's my cats fighting on the windowsill. Alright, let's... Oh, wait. You drink! You jerk. I gave her a flower crown, but she took it off. What's wrong with you? Oh, yeah. I've done quite a bit to my town. I might as well show that off after this. Why is there no new news? I keep forgetting I drew that. I'm gonna change my flag. I don't have an idea for a town tune. Uh-oh. I'm gonna go hunting. Welcome to the new and improved resident services tent. Oh, did I say tent? Of course I meant building. But we couldn't have built it without your help. By counting you, continue support at Starville and our new resident services building. Oh! Cardboard box. Rusted Burt. Cargo shorts! Can't be that bad. Oh my god. I'm like impossible. Why is a machine apologizing for not being up yesterday? Oh my goodness. I wanted to see if there was something new. There was a lot new. What's a bell voucher? You can sell in the shop for 3,000 bells. Ooh. I was wondering if there was gonna be a way to trade Nook Miles for money. What is this? Mastering Pocket Organization for carrying even more? Ooh, I need more. Oh my goodness. This is the stuff I needed! I want that. That. Oh, I really like that. Ooh, I think I might prefer the simple well over the brick well. Don't need that. Oh my goodness. It's so. Ooh, I need those. Well, Island's about to get a lot better. Oh my goodness. These are huge. A whole lighthouse. Oh my god, a Godzilla. Oh, teacup ride. I don't even want to get this because there's so much of this stuff I want. Looks like I'm on the quest to get more Nook Miles. How much stuff? Okay, another row. Pretty good. Now, one thing I'm wondering is like, do these change every day? Because I want a lot of them. And then get in the catalog. That's a good question. Well, don't have enough miles for stuff. Does he want me to see him first? Place to live. I could building bridges or inclines, such as ramp stairs, or even moving existing buildings. Everything I want. This is the only reason I raise money. Like, I don't care about debt. I'll like not pay that. I don't care. But this stuff, yes. I need your help. Wait, you wanted my help, right? Big plans. What is it? I'm gonna say good luck with that. Ah! I had a dream about that guy. Oh, I don't want to say I'm his biggest fan because, like, Isabel's right there. That's my guess. I'm a big fan. It's easy to get sidetracked talking about him. Uh-oh. Isabel's competition. Yes, I want details. Project K. Okay. First, we need more visitors to come to our island. Next, we need more folks to move here. And finally, we work hard to increase the overall image of this island. We'll increase the number of tourists and residents, and we'll create a Starville Salute. Word of how great the island is will reach KK. We'll accept our offer to host a concert here. First step, we'll increase the number of tourists by adding campsite! Yes! I want to build a bridge. Ooh. Oh dear. I know it said stone, but I like the sides of— oh my god, it's 198,000. I still want this one. Yes, please. I can help you with both general issues and issues you may face with other residents. How can I help you? I want to change the flag! Oh! Oh my, it's perfect in every way! Truly captures the essence of Starville. This sounds very familiar. Because I didn't change it. You, however, we need the ceremony. Sure am. Welcome to our dedicated ceremony honoring Starville's brand new resident services. I'm so glad for this opportunity to say thanks to Starville. Like Mr. Nook said, I'm Isabelle. I haven't been on this island long, so I have a ways to go until I'm fully up to speed, but you can bet your bottom bill that I'll help in any way I can. If you need anything, come see me. Clap for Isabelle! Let's hear from our resident rep. Good for us. Clap. Hooray! I always get those buttons confused. Okay, awesome. Here's my flag. Oh my goodness, finally. Alright, so I want to put my bridge up. If I can. No! Maybe I can cancel this and like wait for the terraform? Or maybe I can have this bridge in a different spot for now. Because I was planning more than one bridge anyways. So like, I have my nice front. I'm probably gonna change it. I have like a little park here. This is Mabel's house. Oh my goodness. She has a fossil in her yard. And then I fixed up Apple's house a bit. Oh, she's looking at my museum. Oh my goodness. Does she have her magnifying glass out? Looking at the fossil? Whoop. I didn't know they would do that. Like, I saw her looking at flowers with the magnifying glass. Wow, this land either wouldn't be good unless I put it in her yard. I want Apple to have her own bridge. Oh, I could always do it here. So that's an option. I don't care. I'm gonna cancel it if I can. I forgot. I can move my house now. About my home. The only problem with this is the hill I want to be on has water. Like, I don't know if it has room for my house. But I want to make the camping kit, because I also have a spot for that. Ooh, that's really cute. So I need wood and softwood. I might have that in my inventory. I do not. Okay, I guess I'm getting those. It's gonna be kind of sad, far away from everyone. But I had my time there. That's so much better. Okay, I want to like get the wood from these trees first. Oh my goodness! Look at these new flowers. Boink. Oh my goodness! I'm gonna live there. Oh I'm so excited for that. Oh. I was gonna vault down the cliff. Of course. I have so much to think about now, though. Exactly where I'm gonna place everything. I kind of had ideas. I'm gonna have to make sure it's like perfect until I can terraform. Oh god, I accidentally turned on the vacuum. Oh, thank goodness. Oh, we need 15. Okay, be right back. Okay, that was a lot faster than I thought. But here it is. Campsite. I'm like unpacking the outside of my house because I can't wait tomorrow. So my campsite goes with my little thing here. Oh my god, I could do that? That's kind of cool, but to be honest, I don't know if I would want to sleep on a beach. I didn't even see what I got from the balloon. Got a bamboo wand! What sucks is this spot would be... Oh. Would be perfect for the lighthouse, but I'm gonna put that somewhere else. Oh. Well. I think I may just put it somewhere here. Campsite down! Chopping a lot of trees today. But you know what? I like to keep this stump. You can sit on that. Kinda like that. But my only problem is I kinda want it easier to get to the shop right now. Because I have to pole vault a lot. That's kind of annoying. There, now people know that's my house. Because what I could do right now is just place some ramp in front of my house. So I at least don't have to use a ladder for that part. Let's not build it. Dang it, we're going natural. If I don't like it, I'll change it. At least it'll be like the cheaper of them. Still 98,000. I'm so glad they're gonna be moving my junk for me in my house. I don't have to worry about any of that. Yeah, we're just gonna go here. Okay. Finally, I picked something. Oh, my phone is going off. Hello, I'm Nook here. Did you find a good spot for the natural ramp? Perfect spot. As a part of the case, set up a Lloyd, collect donations. Well, seeing how none of my villagers can get here, it's gonna be just me. Now, this may be just me, but I'd like to get rid of the extra thousands right away. Yes, please. I'm probably gonna pay that off today. And yeah, that's it for today. I can't wait to move here. Oh my goodness, so much went on today. I'm so excited. I can't wait for my house to be built. And like, now the construction really starts on my island. But I want to thank you guys for watching. And I hope you've been enjoying this series. Let me know if you are. But anyways, I'll see you next time. Bye bye!